Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your TV's capabilities and network. If your TV is smart, open its App Store. If not, plug an HDMI streaming device into an available port. Make sure your phone or tablet and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, because discovery and casting require that. Sign into your Google account on the device or app now so permissions and subscriptions are ready. Once done, you're set to install or launch the YouTube app and move to pairing. You now install and open the YouTube app on the TV. Navigate to Settings and find Link with TV Code or look for Cast. On your phone or tablet, open YouTube, tap Cast, or go to YouTube. Com/pair and enter the 8-digit code shown on the TV. If you use a streaming stick, follow its remote prompts to sign in. That pairs the device directly. Make sure the account you sign in with has any needed subscriptions or parental controls configured before playback. You're ready to play? Pick a video on your phone and tap Cast, or use the TV remote to browse YouTube directly. You can pause, seek, change quality, and enable subtitles from either device. Use the remote for volume if casting is limited. If the app won't launch or casting fails, reboot the TV, router, and phone, then verify both are on the same network and re-enter the pairing code. If problems persist, reinstall the YouTube app and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.